Alright guys, welcome back to the farm, welcome back to the channel. Just able to do a video of the kids that my Nubian had and last week Tuesday night. So I make a video showing the preparation. Now I just got the chance to do the video, show you the kids. So these two black ones are her. It's a buck and a dolly. So she first time she giving me a twin. She always have a single, mostly bucks. Now she able to give me a twin. Nice pair. Yeah man, remember to like, subscribe, share. Now this mother, and Wednesday night when I came back off the road and came to check on these ones, she had kid. She had given me a nice buckling here. Yeah man. Now these two mothers always clicking to each other, so I just put them in one place. And guys, best time you can unite two mothers is when they had kids. So this is it. Remember to like, share, subscribe to Lucian Goat Farm. One love to all my supporters. Give thanks. We add it again. Yeah man, one love.